Xiaomi 13 Ultra. So this mobile comes with a huge features. Those are, first let's start with the display size. It comes with a 6.73 inches of LTPO3 AMOLED display. This display supports Dolby Vision and it also supports HDR10 plus content, and this mobile comes with a Quad HD plus resolution, and it also comes with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. And this mobile comes with the latest processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is an octa-core octa-core 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, we have to take a look at the 5G bands. Yes, this mobile comes with almost like 11 bands of 5G. I will leave the 5G bands in the description box down below. If you want, you can check it out from there. And this mobile also comes with a huge amount of cameras. Yeah, this mobile is for the cameras, we can say that. First of all, this mobile comes with the rear cameras, which are 4 cameras. This mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera also with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of another third camera for telescopic zooming, and another 50 megapixels of telescope ultra wide angle camera. So these are the 4 cameras which are equally 50 megapixels of cameras. And this with these cameras you can shoot up to 8K 24 FPS. Ignore that. And this mobile also comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing wide angle camera, selfie camera. And another huge thing in this mobile is that this mobile comes with a huge enormous battery, that is 5000 milliamperes of battery, which can support fast charging. That means this mobile supports up to 90 watts of fast charge, which can charge your mobile from 0 to 100 in just 39 minutes according to the advertisement with wire. And it also supports wireless charge, which can charge your mobile from 0 to 100 in just 49 minutes. It supports 45 watts of wireless charge, and it also supports 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. You can charge other devices or other mobiles. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with the Android version 13 out of the box with the MIUI 14. And this mobile also comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And this mobile also comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass protection at the back and the front, and metal frame. And when we talk about the multimedia and connectivity, yeah, this mobile comes with the latest Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi, and it also supports Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest version. And this mobile also comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner, not ultrasonic, it's an optical fingerprint scanner, yes. And this mobile also comes with no IP water resistant and dust resistance. Even though this is a flagship mobile, yeah, this mobile doesn't comes with a water and dust proofing. So this mobile also comes with a, and when we talk about the colors, yeah, this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below. By the way, this mobile, when we talk about the box contents, yeah, this mobile comes with a mobile inside the box. This it comes with a mobile itself and a TPU case and a 90-watt fast charger, yes, and a Type-C to Type-C cable and a Type-C to Type-A cable and a SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides and some warranty guides, something. So these are the things that you will get in this with this mobile in the box. So when we talk about the price range, yeah, this mobile might come with a price tag of 72,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees. It might release in between that price ranges. And last but not least, we have to know about the storage capacities. Yes, this mobile will be available in two or 3 variants according to the rumors. Let's say 3 variants. So those are the 12GB RAM to 56GB internal storage, and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage, and also 16GB of RAM and 512GB internal storage variants. So these are the UFS 4.0 storages, and along with the mixed with the LPDDR5X RAMs types. So we can expect a killer gaming and performance from this mobile. So wait until the mobile release and buy the mobile. And if you want to watch other videos, go to the description box, click the link in the description box and watch the other videos. And by the way, if you like the video, hit the like button and also the subscribe.